Follow? Nay. I'll go with thee. By Jove!
Shakespeare and Second City normally go together about as well as Son of Svengoolie would, hosting Masterpiece Theater. But tonight's benefit was Second City's way of giving the immortal bard from Old Stratford-on-Avon a new home. Next door, the abandoned Aardvark Theater is being refurbished so the Free Shakespeare Company can have a permanent performance and seminar center. Theater supporters paid $15 to help the cause and enjoy a few midsummer night's cocktails. Bread, cheese, and fruit added to the ambiance, but the evening was far from stuffy. The Free Shakespeare Company's improvisations and contemporary treatments of Shakespeare make it fun for audiences, as in this compilation of all of Shakespeare's deaths from his combined works. Two Second City graduates came home to praise Shakespeare. Mary Gross and Tim Kazurinsky, now with Saturday Night Live, donated their time to do a vintage sketch about a customer who gets more than he bargained for from the photomat lady.
Yeah, that's my favorite, too. In fact, I made a copy of that one. See, except I changed it a little. I cut out your girlfriend's head and I pasted it on my head.
Mary and Tim have great admiration for their struggling colleagues.
They work so hard. They've memorized all of Shakespeare's plays and most of his sonnets, and they put them on for free. It's wonderful. And now Second City's helping give them a home. So, we're trying to do our part.